Hi, everyone. This is the product marketing sprint planning meeting for Monday, July 17th. This is the last iteration of Q2. So I will throw it over to Laura to get us started.
Thanks. Yeah, this iteration, I had a couple of localization issues for the features page and the continuous software compliance page. I have an issue to remove the form from one of the old DevSecOps survey report pages because that's just going to be a direct download link now. I have a DevSecOps World Tour improvement for one of our tour pages. And then prepping for the CMS, I'm going to be removing a lot of hard-coded values from the events pages components. And that's it for me.
On the edge of our seats, does anyone else want to go? Who she was passing it to?
Yeah, I can go next. I'm working on the individual blog post update. Oh man, what a Monday. Okay. And then if that gets done, I've got the security checklist tool on deck as well, but I think I might need some content help on that first, so TBD. And then I've also got a couple things for growth. I won't go into them, but just to fill out my sprint, I do have work for them as well. And then I'll pass it to Matteo.
Thank you, Jess. I'll continue my work on the block repo. I'll import the slippers navigation, set that up. I will migrate the landing page and create a few components for that. And also when we have the contentful account, I will create the workspaces, and if I finish all this, I will pick up configure the live previewer for Contentful, and yeah, all blog. I'll pass it over to Miguel.
Thank you. For this iteration, I have a carryover issue with the topics URLs. Right now, we are still having the index at the end of them. And I found out that it's also happening to some solution pages. So yeah, I try to fix for just the topics templates, but we will need to do something for global configuration of that. I believe in the generate script, but yeah, I'll still be looking at that. And also, I have some translations for GitLab Duo for code suggestions. The main thing I will be focusing for this iteration is the email templates for yeah, the iterable email templates. So I'll be doing that as a priority, and then I'll continue with the other stuff. And yeah, finally, I have some CMS pre-work to remove some hard-coded text we already have in the buyer experience repo. So yeah, that will be me for this iteration. Next is Alvis.
Okay, thanks. Well, this sprint I will be focusing on finish the Melbourne page, last little details, and check that the page in production will be all right, and also some migration for customers. If I got MP through the sprint, I'll pick some translation issues and help and check if something else appears through the sprint. And that's it. I am the last one, or Nathan? Oh,
yeah, thanks. Yeah, if anyone's done early, like Kelvy said, there's a bunch of translation stuff. Where was that board posted? Phil's posted a board in here, but maybe I'll put it in the stand-up group. There's a list that we would like to get through by the end of the iteration, which is also end of quarter. And so I don't know if there's too many right now that are unassigned, but as the week goes on, I think the translation team's doing a lot of translation, so there'll be more to pick up later on. But yeah, I think that's it. We'll see everybody in, I guess, the retro in 2 weeks. Phil, do you want to say anything before
Nope,
we
that's
start
it.
recording?
Thanks, everyone.
Perfect.